Hello guys, welcome back to my channel, and in today's video I'm going to be showing you the basic things you need to know about a Godrej forklift. Right, sometimes you guys think that the forklift, the Godrej and the electric forklift are the same thing with the diesel forklift, but it's actually different. So you just calm down and make sure you subscribe and hit the bell notification so that whenever I drop an amazing video you're going to be notified. So let's get down to the video. This is actually the handbrake, as you can see, and this is the steering. As you all know, this is the gear front and back. Now this is the where you turn on the light, the horn, the navigator, and so on and so forth. So if you come down here, you see it has two pedals, one for the accelerator, and the other one for the brake. But the fact that you have to know about this machine is that it is actually automatic brake. It is auto brake. So even if you match the brake or not, it is going to stop whenever you take your leg off the accelerator. So that is the difference between the diesel forklift and this Godrej forklift. And whenever you are driving this forklift, you have to be very conscious, because any small thing, if you make any mistake, like as you can see, this is the lifting bar, you lift it up, and this is for tilting up. I've already made that in the other video. If you want to know more about it, check the video on top, you will see it. Then this is the horn. All right, so let's get down to what I was saying. This machine is actually different and tricky. So if you want to drive it, you have to be very, very conscious of what you do, because any small mistake is going to make it to shut down totally. As you can see, the battery is charged. So the machine has a kind of sense of, I don't know how to say it, but it's like computerized. It works so digital. It's not like something that you do manually, like the way you do your diesel forklift. This is just like a Tesla car. If you are driving this machine, it's just like a Tesla car. This is an automatic shutdown in case of any emergency. So you guys have to calm down and understand all these facts before you drive it. So this machine is actually safe, but sometimes the disadvantage of this machine is that if it has like a kind of error, it can start moving on its own. Yes, that is what it does, but the diesel forklift does not do it. So whenever you are driving this forklift, or you want to employ someone to drive it, you have to make sure that the person is a really, really certified forklift driver before you can be able to hand over this kind of work to the person. If not, things are going to be messed up. So guys, just take your time and analyze. Anytime you want to drive or you want to check out this kind of forklift, just calm down and observe everything well, because the forklift is very tricky. Like I said earlier, it's very tricky. It's not like your regular diesel forklift. As you can see, everything is wired. This forklift does not run on petrol. It does not run on gas. It does not run on diesel. It only runs on battery. No water, nothing. No water, no oil, only gas, only battery. That's what you have to put here. As you can see, there's wire everywhere. And the forklift is actually heavy duty. It can do some kind of work that you will not expect it to do. So that is why it is very, very good, and it is very, very tricky at the same time. So you have to be tricky to be able to drive these forklifts. So guys,